Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and today I'm going to do a card with you, and it's going to be this one. It is using a stamp set from, oh goodness, what's her name? Lizzie or something? Yes, Love from Lizzie. And it is called Too Cute to Spook, and there's lots of really cute images, but I'm using the spider and the Too Cute to Spook sentiment. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and pre-cut things. So I have an A2 sized card, which is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that I scored at 4 1/4, cut in half, makes 2 cards. And these end up being 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I have a piece of cardstock from my stash, which measures 4 by 5 1/4. And that's just going to sit right on top. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And this came from a paper pack of Halloween cardstock, and I just love this one. It would be cute for just any season. It doesn't have to be for Halloween for sure. So when you're looking at your papers, make sure you think outside of how it came. It doesn't, just because it came in a Halloween pack doesn't mean you have to use it for Halloween. You might be able to use it for something entirely different, because this could be a cute birthday paper or just everyday paper. It's just really cute. There's nothing specifically that says Halloween about that one. Now this one has spiders on it. This one might be a little different. And this is going to go right on top of this. And I noticed that when I cut it, I cut it at 5 1/2 instead of 5 1/4. So let me cut a 1/4 inch off of this. So now it will fit top to bottom on the base. And I also use my kind of, I don't know, bleeding, I don't know what other term to use for this, punch to cut out some red, just because I thought that was kind of cool. I don't know, it looked kind of creepy. And I'm going to put this on top, and I just want it to be the length or the width of this. So I'm just going to put some glue on the top of that piece of paper. Oh, and I didn't tell you, this measures 1 1/2 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to put this on here. And this is just a scrap, actually, that I am going to cut to size. So there, now I have some blood coming from the top. And that's going to fit right here. But before I do that, I want to measure and cut my ribbon. So I have a piece of velvet ribbon that I actually got at Hobby Lobby from their Christmas collection. And I just think it's adorable. I love velvet anyway, and I think it's cool that you can use it for so many different things. I mean, it's great for Christmas, and then I think it's great for, I don't know, I think vampires and stuff when I see it. So I'm just cutting that down to size. And vampires make me think of blood and spiders and stuff, so that's how I got the inspiration for this card, pretty much. Between that and this ribbon, I was like, oh yeah, I'm in. So then I'm going to put this just in the corner on the side of the base. And then I'm just going to add some glue to the edging. Shoop. And I can do about 1/4 inch because that's the width of the ribbon. And I will set this down. It feels so nice too. It's velvet. And then I went ahead and stamped and colored with my Copic markers, or with my alcohol markers. I just colored her, and then I used a glittery pin to do her eyes and her bow, and I just did those in red because I thought that matched. And then I just stamped this in black on white cardstock, and then I put it, and I fussy cut it, and then I put it on some black cardstock and fussy cut that. So super easy to do. I don't have the dies for this set, so I just, you know, made it work with what I do have. And I'm going to put a dimensional on each side of the spider, and I'm not going to worry about putting one in the middle because this ribbon is going to be in the middle and it helps kind of keep it raised. So I'm just going to put one on each side, take those off if I can get it, goodness gracious. And then I kind of angled it just a little bit just because I think it's cute that way. And then I put Too Cute to Spook down here, and I just glued that down. I didn't use any dimensionals or anything for the sentiment. Just hold that in its spot for 10 or 15 seconds, and that will be good. I'm trying to close the glue. And there we go. Isn't that cute? It's Too Cute to Spook. I think the recipient will like that. So there we go. Super easy and cute and fun, and hope that gives you some inspiration. And I might be finished with my Halloween cards now. I'm not positive, but I might move on to Thanksgiving cards. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.